In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion template. If you're just getting started or you want to tighten up your workflow, this walkthrough will make the process simple and repeatable. First, open the page or existing template you want to copy from your Notion sidebar. This could be a personal dashboard, a team project hub, or a template you've saved from someone else. If you don't immediately see it, use Quick Find by pressing Command or Control plus P and typing the page name. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're duplicating the right item. Once you've found it, click to open the page fully. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three dots icon. This opens the page menu, which is where you'll find actions that affect the entire page. It's easy to miss if you're focused on the content, so take a second to confirm you're clicking the page's three dots, not a block menu inside the page. From that drop-down menu, select Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a full copy of the page and place it in your sidebar. You'll see a new version appear, often with a name like Copy Of, so it's easy to spot. The duplicate includes the page structure, subpages, and database views, which is perfect for reusing a setup you already love. Keep in mind that some things, like comments or certain sharing settings, may not carry over exactly as they were, since it's now a distinct page. Now, take a moment to organize your new copy so it's actually useful. Rename it to something clear and specific so you'll recognize it later. If you use icons or a cover image to visually group similar pages, update those too. Drag the new page in the sidebar to the space, folder, or team area where it belongs. If others need access, review the share settings and adjust permissions so the right people can view or edit. Open any databases inside the copy and check filters, sorts, or default properties to make sure they reflect your current goals rather than the original context. If the template came with sample tasks or placeholder entries, clear or update them so the page starts clean. Finally, keep the original template somewhere safe as your master version and use this copy as your working space. If you found any value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments with what helped you most or how we can level up our production. We read every message, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.